Gotta do this one.
This is the one.
Yeah, this is the one that's the one, right?
Yeah.
Alright, gonna pick your head up. Come back down. Just coming around here, just make sure those teeth are together. Perfect. Alright, I'm gonna stretch you here first, okay? Doing okay?
Yeah.
Already felt a few pop in there.
Oh. 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 Shit. Ooh, I felt it all the way down. That was so nice.
New woman.
Yeah, for sure. Whew.
Nice, I could tell that one.
Yeah, that was nice.
That one all the way down. Okay, I'm gonna come up here and we'll do the rest of them, right?
Okay.
I got a lot already, I'll tell you that.
Oh. Oh, I needed that. Oh. That was the one.
If only I had a harp playing in the background, right?
Mm. Mm.
Should have felt that one a little higher in there.
I did. I felt it in my brain. I've been trying to get those. I can't find you.
We're the professionals now, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
I can go to sleep right now.
Nice. That's on the other side.
It's that neck.
That neck, huh? Nice. Opened up there, yeah.
Yeah, for sure. If I need to.
Nice. Alright, let's get you on your side this way.
Oh, these are nervous.
Hands go this way a little bit. That's good. Hang on. There you go. Hang on you here, okay?
Ooh,
Yes, man.
that's the best pop I've ever gotten on that side.
I know in the past when it has popped, it's been like one or two.
Ooh.
We got a few segments that time. That was
Yeah, it's nice. Oh, this is the side that hurts on. Dang. I don't even know anymore.
You okay?
Yeah.
Alright, deep breath. All the way up.
Oh. Oh.
Good. We got some.
Nice.
We
Yeah.
got some.
my face?
Yeah. All right, deep breath. All the way out.
Oh!
One more. That's good. That's good. Nice.
Yeah.